This one what?
Expansion.
لا. No. This one valve, service valve. You see outdoor unit have two valve, one suction and one discharge. Okay. Some valve three-way and some valve two-way. What's the meaning three-way and four-way? What's the meaning? Three-way and four-way. And what's different? What's the meaning and what's different? Here, come here. This pipe to machine, right? This pipe from system. This one Allen key side. This one service bin. How many way?
3.
How many way? 4.
But gas flow way 3.
4. 4. Okay. This way to machine. Okay. This way from system. From pipes. This one. How many way? You know different what?
3.
You see in spirit unit, one valve, no bin.
Yeah.
This how many way? 3. And other valve, 4. Because have bin. This one how many way?
4.
This one way, 2 way, 3 way, 4 way. 1 way, 2 way, 3 way. We know different now?
Yes.
This one what?
Valve.
How many way?
Sir, 2 way.
Ah,
3 way. 3 way. 3 way. 3 way.
No, 4. 4. 4. Because what? This one way. This one way, here Allen K,
Yeah.
and this one
Pin
pin,
valve.
right?
Yes.
But how many way?
4.
4.
VRF system have 2 valve, suction and liquid. 4 ways valve. 4 ways valve. 3 way valve in spirit. In where? Spirit. Huh?
Sir, this one 3 way or 4 way, sir?
Which one? This one?
Yes, sir.
4 way.
4.
1, 2 or
Center Allen key.
ما سنتر اهو مش ده على كده. Okay. Now okay خلاص.
Okay.
You will understand now what's different between 3 way and the 4 way. Okay. And then liquid going to expansion